Today, we will be going over how to install EcoHitch part X7450S for your Tesla Model S. This EcoHitch has a 400-pound carrying capacity and a 4,000-pound towing capacity, as well as a stainless steel receiver to help keep your parts looking clean. To start, place your Tesla in suspension mode and raise it off the ground. If you are using a hoist or a lift, make sure to utilize the Tesla-approved lifting points. Unfasten and uninstall the factory hitch cover. Disconnect the underbelly panel closest to the rear of the vehicle. We recommend to label the locations of the fasteners as there are both machine screws and lag-style screws. Incorrect placement could damage the threads. Then, remove the two lower push-in rivets where the fender well is attached to the bumper. Remove the push-in rivet located behind the tire, revealing a hidden access point needed in a following step. Repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. Gently pull back the fender felt in order to remove the Torx screw that connects the bumper and body ends together, repeating on the opposite side. Open the hatch and remove the interior carpet liners. Gently remove the plastic panel shown by pulling in an upward motion. Remove the weather stripping to the top edge of the interior carpeting. Peel the carpet back, starting on one side of the vehicle. Then locate the hidden bolt by gently peeling back the reflective patch and exposing the bolt access hole. Using a drive ratchet, remove the nut recessed inside of the hole and repeat on the opposite side. Remove the bumper fascia by gently peeling outwards. The bumper fascia is held in by a series of clips that will unsnap as you work your way toward the rear of the vehicle. Continue working your way around the opposite side until it is removed. With the bumper removed, remove the rear cross member. Then place one nylon fender washer onto each of the 8 mounting studs. Position the hitch on the studs, making sure that the hitch is centered for alignment. Fully fasten the hitch using flange nuts, torquing them to the proper foot-pounds. Then reinstall all components in reverse order of removal. Finally, insert the ball mount into the hitch, securing the receiver using the provided hardware and torquing the bolt to the proper foot-pounds. With that done, your EcoHitch is installed and ready to go with you wherever your Tesla brings you next.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.